Het transport van een reactor begon in Kleve en had als eindbestemming Shanghai. Deze complexe operatie vereiste zorgvuldige planning en uitvoering om de reactor veilig over lange afstanden te vervoeren. Het transport werd uitgevoerd met de nodige expertise om te zorgen voor een tijdige en veilige levering naar Shanghai. On 13 February 2016, a 230-ton crane hook was transported by Wagenborg Nedlift from the quay to the factory at Bremen Machinery in Genemuiden. The heavy load was moved using 12 SPMT, self-propelled modular transporters, lines, which enabled the hook to be transported accurately and safely throughout the entire facility. This operation demonstrates the importance of using advanced equipment and coordination to handle large and heavy components in an industrial environment. Driving a truck with 152 tires is a daunting task, especially when 3 of the giant trucks are moving together to transport large reactors. These vehicles require extremely careful coordination and control, as their size and weight make them difficult to maneuver, especially when maintaining a synchronized speed and precise alignment on narrow roads or curves. One challenging situation occurred when the convoy was blocked by a low traffic sign. This is where the Scania Puller first showed its special ability. 2 cranes were mobilized to lift the sign, clearing the way and continuing the journey. To ensure safety, the convoy often requires escort vehicles and support from traffic management forces. Coordinating such a convoy requires not only high skills, but also absolute precision and effective teamwork. What I'm curious about is how they will handle the toll booth.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
One of the largest equipment moves in Alberta history took place, attracting a great deal of public attention. The journey began on 51st Avenue near 91st Street in Edmonton, marking the beginning of an impressive and unforgettable transportation operation. It was truly a sight to behold. This morning, a 318-ton electrical transformer was traveling slowly along the B2011 Folkestone Road in Dover, accompanied by a police escort. This particular consignment was traveling at a walking pace towards the substation at Sellingen, between Ashford and Folkestone. The transport required close supervision and careful planning to ensure absolute safety, as the size and weight of the transformer could cause disruption to traffic and other road elements.
Subscribe to my channel.
SPMT trailers are designed to carry heavy loads and are highly maneuverable, which is especially important when navigating complex routes. Check out this SPMT, self-propelled modular transporter, trailer system transporting a cargo weighing up to 580 tons from Aliyah to Gordes. The transport covered a distance of approximately 175 kilometers and required careful and professional preparation to ensure safety and efficiency. Throughout the journey, the technical team was constantly monitoring to handle any unexpected situations, ensuring that the cargo arrived safely and on schedule. What do you think about this vehicle? Leave us a comment.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Thoman and Frank Neurager's powerful MB Actros MP3 Titan trucks are carrying out a special mission on the Hamburg to Lübeck motorway. Via the Budakat truck stop, they transport large flyover components to the Pinneberg Outer Loop construction site, a major project near Hamburg. The Thoman MB 4160 Actros MP3 Titan trucks carry the heavy flyover sections, while Frank Neurager's MB 4165 Actros MP3 Titan transports the windmill tower sections with the mega windmill transporter. These deliveries are not only a technical challenge, but also contribute to the development of the region's transport infrastructure and renewable energy. If you find this information useful and want to explore more effective heavy machinery transportation solutions, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments in the comment section. Please share and help us bring more valuable articles.